Resurrected, more hectic, a little skeptic, cause how I died my other life wasn't so precious. Consequences, getting homies out the trenches, and there were partners robbed me for my own necklace. Shit, yes there's a limit, they wasn't my dogs, they was squeezing dollars from me hissing. But now I'm back, this the new me, no new friends like DJ Khaled, but I
1, 2, 3 into the 4. Body rocking and enjoy this tempo, keeping the rhythm, dog. Man, this shit ain't simple. Get drunk of what I think, still gone off endo. Double O, I'm behind the tent, sling that lingo. Keep it chill, motherfucker, light 'em up with info. Good music, keep it bumping. This is just an intro. This the type of shit that just be scraping like nympho.
Yeah. And I satisfy your taste buds. Wanting grass like cows, I give it to you, just have big bugs. And I ain't talking deers, Benji Franklin, I be fiending. So if you don't got it, then I'm popping like it's hunting season.
I got his back all seasons. Fuck with him, you fucking with me.
I support X on anything he does, like the man above. Brother from another mother, real partner showing
no
love.
hatred, feel the wrath that can't escape this. Hit him back to back like a motherfucking rapist. Fucking them over, living in hell but I'm colder. Shift the game up like a polar, light it up like a solar. Ready to jump up in the mix, beating the beat up like a trip. Pimp the pen, this shit is sick. A couple partners, that's the click, and we all set to rip. Blow, moving slower than the Matrix.
Ayo, and the speed that I'm on when we on one is way different than when I get a bundle, break it down and flip it. I'm trying to make it to the top and live precious, but it's a challenge like a hiker climbing Everest. You see, I'm trying to be B.I.G., fulfill my dreams, slapping haters with a 50-down rollie. Remember me? Pass luxury keys to my aunts, uncles, and nieces, cousins, brothers, etc. Marble flows, double doors, hoes naked. Same niggas with me now in the whole month vacate. Together till we all get buried. One by one, demons telling, setting, yo, here they come. Negative into positive is what I wish and I hope for. Hard work pays off if we add dedication to it. Fuck it, I'll give it some time, see how far my rap lines make it.
This is real, we never fake it. Give me the mic, I'm about to break it. Straight up out the bottom, not the line, the shit is flagrant. Keep adapting to them changes. Before a youngest started rapping, I'd have thought about a nameless, polished up. Cause I'm shining, bitch, I'm stainless. Brainless to the fact that y'all ain't never gonna phase us. You can love or you can hate, but it ain't gonna affect my cake. Only bitch that I'ma love is what I'm riding when I skate. 22 inches off the ground and I be gliding. Beaming up and down them halo lights and they be shining. 24/7 round the clock, your partner sticks to grinding. Heading to the top, catch me in the struggle climbing.